Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by picking a product that actually sells, look for proven demand and decent EPCs. Once chosen, join the affiliate program and verify payout terms, cookie length, and conversion rules so you don't lose commissions. Next, set up tracking. Add your unique affiliate links and UTM tags to capture traffic sources and conversions. Make sure to create a simple conversion goal in your analytics so you can measure early performance and iterate immediately. Once tracking is live, drive targeted traffic where buyers already are, search intent, paid social, email lists, or content platforms. You'll build a content funnel, attention-grabbing hooks at the top, useful comparisons and proof in the middle, and a clear CTA leading to your affiliate link. Make sure to run small/B tests on headlines, add creatives, landing pages, and bids so you can scale what works. Monitor cost per acquisition versus commission to decide which channels to grow. You finish by optimizing and scaling profitable tactics, double down on winning ads, extend lookalike audiences, and refine creatives that convert. Once done, focus on conversion optimization. Speed up landing pages, add trust signals, and tighten your calls to action so more clicks become sales. If performance stalls, troubleshoot systematically. Verify tracking accuracy, confirm affiliate payout rules and cookie behavior, and check platform policy compliance to ensure your.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.